Hey y'all, my locks are overdue for a retie, so today I will be showing y'all what a self-retightening or interlocking session with my Microlocs really looks like. If that sounds good, just stay tuned for the video.
Everything they say, I understand. So I can speak the language.
I have done pretty much my whole head except one spot because I'm tricking y'all right now. This part right here is not done. Interlocked, not interlocked. I'm going to do this side here on camera just for my own amusement and for y'all's amusement. I'm going to count how many I have left so you can have an idea of how long it takes to do this amount. I have 13 locks to retie. Start the timer. Let's see how long that takes. All right, y'all, we getting right into this retie. Right now, I'm just splitting the hair, trying to see what the part looking like, separating everything, getting it right, getting it going. Then I go ahead and spray it down with my water. And y'all, let me tell you, I had to go grab this gel. I have made a homemade gel that I use for this retie. And y'all, let me tell you, I ain't going back. I'm not going back to the store-bought stuff because this had my hair feeling so nice and so moisturized. I just never knew. But I'm going to stick with this from now on. I'm going to give y'all the recipe in a later video. But y'all, let me tell you, game changer for me. Alright, so I go ahead and separate all the locks. Then I'm just going to look at the part, see if I need to, move anything around. Make sure that the hair is actually going into the lock I need it to go into. Then I'm going to twist the hair that was loose into that lock. Then I go ahead and I just interlock the hair, and I used a 3-point rotation. I used to do a 2, but now I do a 3, and it's good for me, and I ain't going back. So that rhymes. Anywho, yeah, I love a nice 3-point rotation. I think it's best for me. I just think it secures the hair a lot better, in my opinion. But y'all do what is best for you and what you like. All right, so here you see me securing the hair, and I want to say one thing. I think it's best to just secure the hair at the root and then come back later and secure the rest of the hair, because when you're interlocking the hair, I find that the hair comes loose as you're interlocking it. And if you're going for like that look to where everything is secure in the lock, you just gonna have to go back and do it anyway after you interlock. So just do it one time by just doing the root, interlock, come back and secure that hair. And y'all, it's just that easy. Now we already into the next lock. Easy peasy, chicken greasy. I mean, easy breezy, lemon squeezy. And y'all, we just keep going on and on like Erykah Badu and Aaliyah at this point. So we are just securing that hair into the lock, and we just repeating the process. Real simple, real easy. So if I can do it, you can do it too. And we're going right back into that 3-point rotation. And y'all, I just want to say, people who do their own self-reties, they just need a round of applause and a trophy, because it is not for the weak. It is not easy. And you'll be up until the midnight hour doing your hair, into 3-4 days to do your hair. I need everybody in the world to see what my hair look like when I spend 3 to 4 hours or days. 3 to 4 days doing my hair. I'm going to Walmart for no reason. I'm gonna go to AutoZone, wherever I need to pop up, I'm popping up, because somebody need to see all the work I done did on my hair. I know y'all feel me on that, because who trying to do all this work and have nobody see it? Somebody needs to be a witness. That's why I'm glad I got this YouTube channel, because y'all can be my witness and y'all can see the work I did, because I don't really be going nowhere and nobody don't be seeing me, but y'all see me. So I'm just glad that y'all follow me on my lock journey. So I ain't alone in none of this. And y'all, I had to go ahead and cut out some of this footage because my husband wanted to get up and walk in the bathroom knowing he didn't have no clothes on. So I had to go ahead and edit that out, because YouTube ain't finna get me, because he wanted to be lewd and nude. I don't know what he was thinking. He knew I was recording too, but anyway, he tried to slip one in there. Y'all, if y'all have any microlock content or any interlocking, retying content that y'all would like to see me produce, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know. Give me some ideas, because this is a journey with all of us involved, and I appreciate any feedback I can get to help y'all out. So help me help you. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know something. Just call me Mrs. Midnight in the midnight hour. Y'all, I was going as fast as I could to get this done because I was sleepy. I was on my sleeping medicine. I was already through. I just couldn't wait to be done. My arms was finished, but I said, let me push through. And y'all, we almost done. Comment down below, how long in total do you think it's gonna take me to do these 13 locks? I think it took me way longer than I thought when I actually got the time, but you may be surprised or you may be right. Right now, we about halfway done interlocking or retying these 13 microlocs, and the further we keep going, the more scalp I'm able to see. It's getting nice and crisp, it's looking nice and refreshed, and it's just coming together beautifully. I'm going to go ahead and just put some music on for the remainder of the video, but just keep watching to see how nicely it comes together. At the end of the video, I'm still going to come and tell you guys how long it took and then show y'all the final results, so stay tuned. And I also want to add, if you're still watching, you a real one. Thank you. I appreciate you. You loyal. You humble. God gonna bless you. I am now finished with that last 13. I think it was actually 14 because I missed one in the front. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. I am finished with the last bit of locks. It took me, and the time is still running, 33 minutes to do that amount. Again, retying yourself is not for the weak. My arms are done. By the way, it's Christmas Day. I broke it up into sections. If I didn't break it up into sections, I wouldn't have made it because it is intense on my arms and my hands. So I have to take a break, drink water, drink some tea. And I'm also a little sick right now, so I'm doing the best I can. But y'all, look. Look how nice it looks. Yeah, y'all, that's my retie for today. I'm going to have a lock playlist after this video, so go ahead and check that out. Please don't forget to go ahead and comment and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate all the love and support. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.